Alabama, the first state alphabetically, also the Cotton State and often referred to as the Heart of Dixie. As a former member of the Confederate States of America, Alabama certainly has a darker history. However, it is still known for its quaint southern charm and unique culture. Alabama's flag was adopted by the state in 1895. It is a crimson cross of St. Andrew on a field of white. The state name is derived from a similar word that originates from the language of a Muskegon-speaking tribe that lived in the region of the Alabama River. Yet no one is quite sure of the meaning of the name. Nestled in the heart of the American South, Alabama is bordered by Georgia, Tennessee, Mississippi, and Florida. It also lays claim to some coastline on the Gulf of Mexico. Although the middle and southern parts of the state are plains, northern Alabama is covered by the Appalachian Mountains, with large streams and rivers that cut through the rugged landscape. With its proximity to the Gulf, southern Alabama is subtropical with a very long growing season. Summers are stiflingly hot and hurricanes are not uncommon. Though it is not considered to be in Tornado Alley, Alabama has many tornadoes during its summer season. Occupied for thousands of years by Native American peoples, Alabama has a long and storied history. The Spanish were the first Europeans to settle in Alabama in the 16th century, taking land from various native tribes including the Cherokee and Muskogee tribes. It later came under French control and after the 7 Years' War, British control. Alabama was admitted as the 22nd state on December 14, 1819. The capital moved a number of times, but in 1846 it was finally voted to move it to Birmingham, where the capital remains to this day. The 1860s saw Alabama secede from the Union and join the Confederate States of America, as the institution of slavery was essential to its economy and considered an American right. The Civil War death toll was great, but the 13th Amendment was finally ratified in 1865. Though it was a moment of progress for Alabama and the American South as a whole, the state was still plagued by racism, white supremacy, and conflict. Jim Crow laws and legal segregation remained until the 1960s, and racial tensions continue to be present to this day. Alabama has an estimated population of just under 5 million, according to the 2010 census, and is nearly 75% Caucasian. And being located in the Bible Belt, 85% of the population is Christian, the majority being Southern Baptist. With no particularly large metropolitan centers, most of the state's residents live in relatively rural areas. The strongest industries that make up the economy of Alabama include automotive, fourth in the country for exports, tech, forestry, agriculture, and steel production. Though it seems that Alabama is often pushed aside for its more glamorous neighbors of Florida and Georgia, the Heart of Dixie certainly deserves more appreciation for its down-to-earth charm and varied natural beauty. After all, that's why we love to sing, "Sweet Home, Alabama, Lord, I'm coming home to you."